Manychat has just made the comment growth tool available for Instagram Reels. Now you can grow your Instagram Reels and increase your reach, get more views, and automatically reply to anybody who comments on them with whatever message you like. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Instagram comment growth tool for your Reels. Okay everybody, so as you can see, I have Manychat open right here. I'm going to go to automations, and then I'm going to go to set up a new flow. I'm going to call this flow IG Reel Comment Growth Automation. Beautiful. So now I need to add a trigger, which is a starting step. Obviously for this one we want to do comment growth automation. So I'm going to go here and go to Instagram comments. First I have to set a keyword and then tell Manychat which post I want this flow to pertain to. So I want to go to next publication because I've made a reel but I haven't posted it yet. This is probably the best and it's only available in Pro, but you can also do a specific poster reel or all publications. So it's up to you, but for this one I'm doing next publications. I have the choice to exclude comments with these keywords or only trigger comments with these keywords. So I'm going to go for the second one, and since in my reel I'm telling people to comment the word sale, because in this example I'm giving them a free coupon code whenever they comment sale, so I'm going to use obviously the word sale. So sale, so that should work. Now I'm going to go to next, and then this is what I'm automatically going to reply in the comments. So it'll let them know that their comment has worked, and that it'll make them feel like it's talking to an actual human, because I'm not just going to give one response to the dozens and dozens of people that hopefully comment. I'm going to give multiple responses, so each person has a likelihood of getting a different one instead of every single person getting the same one. Okay, and then feel free to do as many of these as you want. I'm only going to do 3, but that should be just fine. So we have to publish it first, which is fine, but I want to go ahead and build it out. So since we're doing this on Instagram, we want to make sure that we send them obviously an Instagram message. So I'll go right here and say, hey, and I'll add some personalization. We'll do first name. You can make it whatever you want. It really just matters what code will work on your specific e-commerce site. But I'm also going to add a button and then do open website. And then this is just obviously an example URL, but you would add whatever URL you want. For this one I'm doing Amazon.com. Cool, all right, so we did a little tint. Awesome. So now we want to make sure you have to check this use as a reply to Instagram comments. So there are a ton of other options besides this as well. So I can go and add a tag here saying this person, summer coupon user or whatever I want to call them. So now every user who clicks on this, we get a tag on them saying that they have our code and they're going to our store. So if somebody uses that code, we can track them and see how effective this campaign was. We can also go here and add a smart delay. Maybe wait 2 hours, 2 hours, and then send them another message and say, hey, are you interested in more discounts? You can sign up for our email newsletter and receive 50% off your first order. What do you think? Sure. Sounds awesome. I'm good with my previous discount code. Stuff like that. So, or we can just say, no thanks. And then build out a flow from there. You can also follow up and ask them to send you a Google review, or you can follow up and send them other links to different platforms that you have. There are tons and tons of Manychat options that you can use this flow for after you already start a conversation with them. But, I'm going to delete this and we're just going to keep the first one. And then shortly, you'll see how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and publish this flow. And then I'm going to go here and click enable. And now this is activated. So now I'm going to go on my Instagram and publish the reel. And time to share with the world. What is up, everybody? You need to comment sale down below and I will give you a free coupon code for our new summer sale. Can't wait to hear from you. Okay, awesome. So now I'm going to switch my account, comment sale, and then hopefully we'll get a notification. Beautiful. And then I can click here. Voila. That linked worked perfectly. So that is just one way you can use the Instagram comment growth tool for your Instagram Reels to help increase engagement and start conversations automatically with your followers. So hopefully you can turn more of your followers into customers, but until then, feel free to comment on any ideas you have for other Manychat features or any questions you may have. So we really look forward to chatting with you soon. Again, thanks.